So what's going on YouTube? This is your friend Dorito with another how-to video. We're going to be doing fender eliminator kit of the 2021 Ducati Panigale v4s. So 2021 Panigale v4s. So first thing we're gonna do, this is the one, check it out. Boom, fender eliminator kit from my NRC. Now this video has not been sponsored. I purchased this with my own money. I believe I paid like what, 230 bucks. Repsilla, shout out to Repsilla. Again, I'm not being sponsored. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the seat, which is not much as a seat, it's this piece right here. You're gonna need your key, put them in here. Sorry for the background. Twist. At the same time you're twisting, you're gonna pull the seat out. Let me get it done. So now it's done. Just pull it out. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get a little key right here. Boom. Let me show you the next step. Alright, so once we remove the seat, you go down here, you're gonna see two bolts, one here and one here. You're gonna use this little, the L one, it comes with your bike. Get those two bolts loose and remove those. So this one here and the one on the other side. It's gonna be two of them. Alright, so once those two bolts are removed, this one here and this one here, this is loose. All you have to do is wiggle it. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Boom. That will come off. See, it came off. Now we can go ahead and remove the plug from here. Removing this plug, you're gonna press this one here, pinch, and pull it out. Alright, so that one's been unplugged. Boom. That's how it's gonna look. Now at this point we can go ahead. We're gonna grab this thing. Got three plugs, one here, signal lights. So the signal lights and stuff, we're gonna have to run it. We're gonna have to use this one. We're gonna have to open this one up. Just to open that one, it's gonna be this here and there. It's the torque, and this one down there. Let me try something out. Hold on. Okay, now that we have this piece off the bike, we're gonna need torque. The start looking, see there look like start. It's gonna be 3 chrome, 1 2 3 on the end and 1 on the side. This one right here is gonna be a T20 and this one right here T25. I went ahead and bought this little kit. Those are the sizes T6, 7, 8, 9. The one we're gonna use T20 and T25. I have those right here. So the 20 is gonna be the chrome one. We're gonna go ahead and get them loose. Get them loose and remove. Get them loose and remove. T20, T25. Okay, now that the 20 and the 25 have been removed, we can go ahead and open it. Boom. So now that we open here, this is the harness we're gonna be using. We're gonna use this harness here and this one here, and it connects into the bike and into the new fender eliminator kit. So you're gonna save that, this little harness. So this one here, this two, and this one right here. So what I'm gonna do right now, let's see if they're marked. If they have no marking, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna mark which side is which. Like left or right, and like that. If you're looking at this way, you can see this is the harness. Just pry this one out, disconnect from here, disconnect from here, and disconnect from here, because we're using this harness on the new NRC fender eliminator kit. It's plug and play. So we open this one up. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a little marking so I can remember. Like this one right here, it's gonna be the left side. This one right here is gonna be the right side. That's all I'm gonna do so I can mark it. And then we're good to go. We're going to install it on the bike. Okay, so I have it disassembled and disconnected. So what I did, the one that says XS, disassembled and disconnected. The one that says XS, I put some little jello marking in there. I know this is the left, the X, that's the right, and this one here is for the license plate light. So now we can go ahead and install it on the bike. This is how it's gonna look. Of course, you're gonna get your little license plate and put them on the fender eliminator kit. So just remember, is remove the little seat and remove this whole piece with only 2 bolts. Slide it out. You don't need special tools because you have the Allen little L wrench on your seat. So just put the key, open the seat, remove, get the key, get the Allen, and remove those bolts. Slide this one out, unplug, and then use the T20 and T25 to remove those 4 bolts and get this harness out. This is how it's gonna end up looking. Then you can save these ones. You can save that or sell it, whatever you want. So yeah, let me go ahead and connect it into the bike. Alright, so your kit is gonna come with the little kit like this, minus the little keys, plus little bolts and everything. It's gonna be 2 plates, the actual LED light and the plate for the license plate holder. So we're gonna go ahead and put those 2. This is the same size as the Allen key that comes on your seat right here. So you're just gonna use it, which is this one here. Put them together. I like to put a little spacer that comes with it, a little long type of plate. Put them in there, nice and tight. Now here's what the magic is gonna happen. You see, we have this and this one right here. So those 3 plugs is gonna be plug and play with the original plug from the bike. So I'm already have the marking. The yellow one is the left side. So assuming this one is like this, my left side, it's gonna go like this. That's how it goes. This is the left one, this is the right one. So left, we're gonna go ahead and follow the plug, which is this one. And this one is gonna connect it into the yellow, this one to the other one, and this one right here into the license plate light. So let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look. Yellow one on the left side, the longer one for the light for the license plate, and we're gonna be left with this one. So this is how it's gonna look. Harness is there. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna tuck everything in here, put this little plug in here. This is the main one. This main light right here, this is the one we're gonna plug and tuck all the wires in there, and boom. You see these two? Those 2 is the one that was holding the huge Christmas tree, which is those 2 bolts. We're not gonna use those 2 anymore. What we're gonna use is these little shorty ones. It's the same thread. Boom. So we can hold the fender eliminator kit. So it goes, so you can have an idea. You hold it like this. Get the wires out of the way. Boom. So you're gonna come here. That's how it goes. Like that. You see those 2 holes right here? Those two are gonna go in there. You see the holes in there? One there and one there. Boom. So now I'm gonna go ahead, plug this one in into that one, and tuck all the wires in there. Let me go ahead and do that. And then once we have done that, we're gonna bolt this one in. This is the 2. You can use plastic cross washer, one like this. Boom. So you can hold it in place. You can go this way or the other way, or you can go without it. It's up to you, as long as the hole won't go through there. But I believe the bolt holds in here, it won't go through. Let me try it. Yeah, you see, stays nice and flush. Just Good. So let me go ahead and plug that in and tuck it in there. Alright, let me show you the process. See, the wires are all going in, tucking all the way in. So we're good to go. Just push it all the way in. And this one, it's just gonna be like this. Boom. Just like that. And then we can bolt it down. So let me finish doing that in two hands, and I will show you the final result. Alright, so the wires are tucked in. These are the two bolts, this one here, and those are hex, they're not star. But if you have a kit like mine, the one who's gonna help is gonna be the T20, which is the little star. It'll fit right there. Boom. That would help. It'll help me. And that's the final result. We go from fire. Boom. No bad. Better than having the huge Christmas tree. So all I have left, install my license plate, and we're good to go. First we're gonna check it. Let's try the lights. So first we remove the key from here, put it in the switch, open the switch. Let's try left. Boom. There's your left. It's pretty bright. Now let's try the right. It's right side. Let's check it out. Boom. Just like that. That'll be it for today. Thank you for watching. Alright, something really quick before we leave. The kit comes with some little bolts on these little caps. See the little caps? Let me show you when it goes. One is gonna go right here, the big one, and the little one's right here. So that's how you're gonna block it. So you're gonna get it. Push in. Boom. Just like that. And the little ones too. Same way. So if you guys wonder what's the little cups for, boom. One more. Boom. Just like that. That's what those are for. So now we're officially done. Thank you for watching.